Okay, so we left off on the other video, number 3. We did 3 on the other video. The first video, here's number 4. Okay, so we know what to do when it's an even number. We know what to do when it's an odd number. Now we're looking at a fraction. Let's do this again. So what if I got x squared plus, what was the fraction yesterday? Anybody remember? 9 over 7. 5 9? 5 sevenths. Okay, so let's go with 3 over 4x. So we're going to complete the square, right? Complete the square. Complete the square, again, involves 2 parts. Complete or completing the square. You need to find out what number goes here to make it work. And then you also got to tell me what the parenthesis squared is going to be, right? Okay, so the fraction, what do we do when it's a fraction? Well, the same thing we've been doing in the same steps for completing the square. You have to look at this middle number. You have to look at this middle number and do what? Take half of it, right? What is half of 3 over 4? Remember when you take half of something, I said it yesterday, it's dividing by 2. And when you divide by 2, the 2 goes in the bottom, right, in the denominator. So it's going to be, you can write it like this. Half of 3/4 is like, in math would be like this. 1/2 of, what's half of 3/4? But remember, of means multiplication. What's 1/2 times 3/4? That's one way to do it, right? And that'll give you the 3/8. Or like some of you are doing, just the bottom number gets 2 or multiplied by 2, right? So 3 over 4, and then the 2, if you take half, the 2 goes in the bottom. See, you're going to get 3 over 8, yeah? 3 over 8. So half of 3 over 4 is 3 over 8. That's what goes in the parentheses, right? X. Does that look right? You know what I mean by does that look right? Isn't it true that 3/8 plus 3/8 should give you 3/4? Right? Yeah, huh? Remember these two have to add up to this? Is that right? Has anybody checked that? That doesn't look right, huh? Let's check it real fast. A little side work over here, just to convince you here. Is 3/8 plus 3/8 3/4? That's what I'm checking, huh? I'm just telling you. I'm just going to show you that it's good. 3/8 plus 3/8. Is it true that it's 3 over 4? Well, I don't know. You tell me. What is how do you add 3/8 and another 3/8? You add everything? No, just the numerators. That'll be 6 over 8. Is that right? Yeah, because what happens when you reduce a 6 and an 8? You see, it does work. It's good. Okay, it's good. So I got this part of it. This is going to be the completed square is what? This. That's one part of it, but that's not all. You still have to give me this part. This, what number goes here? How do you get this number? Yeah, multiply 3/8 to itself, right? 3/8 times a 3/8. Oh, you can do that in your head. I'm going to get 9 over 64. Yeah, 9 over 64. Okay, we're good? All right, this next one, number 5. You're probably going to get it wrong. Here it goes, number 5. X squared plus 6 over, What should I put here? 6 over what? 6 over 5? I don't know. What should I put here? I don't care. Okay, go ahead and do it real quick, but make sure you're ready to erase. Go ahead and try it. You're not gonna get it right. Anybody get this? If you got this one right, you got it right. Orlando, you got it?
I think so.
What'd you get?
9 over 25.
9 over 25. Anybody get 9 over 25? That's correct. The rest of you got like 36 over 100 or something. Okay, I'm going to tell you why. Ready? Watch here. We got to take half of 6 fifths, right? Half of 6 fifths is 6 over 5 times, right? You look at this middle number. Half of 6 over 5 is, well, don't you have to multiply the bottom by 2? But see, write this down. Why? What do you got to watch out for when you do this? Yeah, if this top number is even, see? If this top number, some of you guys went, 6 over 10, and then you reduced it to 3 fifths. You guys multiplied and you looked at 6 over 10, and then see, that can be reduced. But I would just see it right here. If the 2, right, I have to take half, right? I'm taking half right here, divided by 2. But I got 6 on the top, and I got 5. And, I'm just getting sloppy, huh? You guys see where I'm going to go with this? What's going to happen? Before I multiply this, can the 2 reduce with this top number? Yeah, when this top number is even, they can reduce. The 6 and the 2 is going to become a what? A 3. So really, what's left right here? You guys see that? Well, heck, mister, that makes sense. Who can tell me why that makes sense? What's 3 over 5 plus 3 over 5? 6 over 5. Oh, shit. That's right. That's right. It's good. Yeah, you guys believe me? Yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, so we found the completed square. And what goes here? 3 fifths? Yeah, you got to do 3 fifths times 3 fifths. All right, you guys know what you got to do. You guys know the process here. Doesn't matter if this middle number is even. Doesn't matter if this middle number is odd. Doesn't matter if this middle number is a fraction. This would be 9 over 25, right? 3 times 3, 9. 5 times 5, 25. We got it? All right, do this last one real quick by yourself. X squared plus, let me get a good number here. X squared plus, what's a good even number? Alex, give me an even number. 4? Okay, you say so, sir. Okay, Alex gave you an easy one. Well, I got to take half of 4/3. Half of 4/3 is 4 over 3 divided by 2, but in this case it's going to multiply. But then what? Before you multiply and you get ahead of yourself, check if the top number is an even number, and it can reduce, right? Everybody got what? 2/3. Everybody got 2/3? Yeah, that's the number that goes in the parentheses, so that's x plus 2/3 and x plus 2/3. Oh yeah, of course. 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is 4 over 3. That does add up to the middle. And so that'll be x plus 2/3 squared. And then what do you got to do? Figure out what goes here. Well, that's 2/3 times 2/3. 4/9, yeah. Okay. I think you got it. You can handle it. There it is.